You are watching AliAziz Quality Education YouTube channel.
Aircraft Maintenance Practices I in BSc Aircraft Maintenance Engineering Technology, AMET. By AliAziz Quality Education.
AliAziz Quality Education channel, providing you the aviation industry related videos, so don't forget the subscription button.
Aircraft Maintenance Practices, I is a core subject in the Aircraft Maintenance Engineering Technology, AMET, program that focuses on the practical skills, tools, techniques, and safety procedures used in the inspection, servicing, and maintenance of aircraft and their components. This subject provides the foundation for hands-on maintenance work, emphasizing workshop practices, use of tools, maintenance documentation, and adherence to aviation standards. Students learn the basic technical skills necessary to safely and accurately perform maintenance tasks on aircraft systems and structures. Objectives of Subject Aircraft Maintenance Practices I. To introduce students to basic aircraft maintenance procedures and workshop practices. To train students in the use, care, and calibration of aircraft tools and equipment. To develop understanding of maintenance documentation, records, and standards. To ensure knowledge of workplace safety, environmental protection, and quality control. To prepare students for practical maintenance work under EASA/CAA standards. Main topics covered. 1. Introduction to aircraft maintenance. Overview of aircraft maintenance types. Line maintenance. Base, hangar, maintenance. Preventive and corrective maintenance. Importance of maintenance for airworthiness and flight safety. Overview of maintenance organizations and approval systems, EASA Part 145. 2. Safety practices in maintenance. Personal protective equipment, PPE, and workplace safety. Safe handling of tools, equipment, and materials. Fire prevention and control in maintenance areas. Electrical safety and hazard identification. Safety management systems, SMS, in maintenance organizations. 3. Hand tools and power tools. Classification and identification of common hand tools used in aircraft maintenance. Proper use, inspection, and maintenance of wrenches, screwdrivers, pliers, torque wrenches, etc. Introduction to air and electrically driven power tools. Calibration and care of precision measuring instruments. 4. Measuring instruments. Use of vernier calipers, micrometers, dial gauges, and depth gauges. Understanding tolerances and fits in aircraft components. Periodic calibration requirements and procedures. Recording and interpreting measurement data. 5. Aircraft hardware and fasteners. Introduction to bolts, nuts, rivets, pins, washers, and screws used in aircraft. Material types, aluminum, titanium, steel, and composites. Locking and safety devices, cotter pins, lock nuts, lock wire, safety clips. Inspection and replacement procedures for aircraft fasteners. 6. Aircraft jacks, lifting and support equipment. Different types of jacks, tripod jacks, axle jacks, and servicing stands. Safety procedures during jacking and towing operations. Aircraft weighing and leveling procedures, basic introduction. Ground handling precautions. 7. Aircraft maintenance documentation. Importance of accurate maintenance records. Aircraft logbooks, job cards, and technical log entries. Maintenance schedules and inspection checklists. Understanding EASA Part 66 documentation standards. Role of quality assurance and certification. 8. Corrosion control and cleaning. Causes and types of corrosion on aircraft structures. Corrosion detection, cleaning, and treatment procedures. Aircraft washing, degreasing, and inspection after cleaning. Environmental and waste management practices. 9. Identification systems. Aircraft marking systems, registration, serial numbers, and part identification. Color coding and identification of pipes, lines, and wiring. Use of maintenance manuals, AMM, IPC, SRM, for component identification. 10. Workshop practices and basic repairs. Use of workshop equipment such as drills, grinders, and presses. Sheet metal repair basics, drilling, riveting, and patching techniques. Basic soldering and wiring skills. Introduction to non-destructive testing, NDT, methods, visual, dye-penetrant, magnetic. Airplane practical training/workshop exercises. Students perform hands-on tasks such as tool identification and calibration, measuring aircraft parts and tolerances, safety wire and locking device installation, riveting and sheet metal exercises, corrosion inspection and cleaning practices, use of maintenance documentation and checklists. Importance for AMET students. Develops practical maintenance and inspection skills. Builds a strong understanding of tools, materials, and documentation. Lays the foundation for aircraft maintenance practices, too, where advanced techniques are covered. Prepares students for EASA Part 66 practical assessments. Essential for any student aiming to work in aircraft maintenance workshops or MROs. Airplane career relevance. After studying aircraft maintenance practices, students can pursue careers as aircraft maintenance trainees in airlines or MROs, junior aircraft technicians assisting in inspections and repairs, workshop technicians in mechanical, electrical, or structural areas, future licensed aircraft maintenance engineers, B1/B2, under EASA or CAA pathways. Conclusion. Aircraft maintenance practices, I serves as the foundation of all practical training in the AMET program. It equips students with essential knowledge of tools, safety procedures, maintenance documentation, and workshop practices. Mastering these skills ensures students can perform maintenance tasks safely, accurately, and in compliance with aviation regulations, forming the base for more advanced studies in aircraft maintenance practices, too.